guys, welcome back to Red Flower Farms. So today's project is fairies. Right now I'm adding my milk lye solution. I already added the titanium dioxide to the oils. That way I can incorporate the titanium dioxide without it thickening up, and I can avoid some glycerin rivers. The base of this soap is going to be a pale blue, and I'm going to pipe some fluffy white clouds on top of the soap. The fragrance oil I'm using today is Nature's Garden's Honeysuckle, and the color blue I'm using is Calvin Blue from Nurture's Soap Supplies. Now that looks like a pretty sky blue for my soap. Now I want the clouds to sit into the base of soap a little bit, not just on the top, but I want them to be inside the soap too. So I'm going to move a little bit of soap to the side here. And that way when I pipe, it will be on the inside as well as the top of the soap. Time to add the glitter. This soap will be bathing in glitter when I'm done with it. It is fairy dust soap after all. Now here is my fairy wand embeds. All I did to make these was glued a little bead, a star bead, on the top of a lollipop stick, and then I put some ribbon around it. I think they turned out pretty cute. I made a couple extra of these, and my girls had a great time playing fairies with these outside. I really need to measure out where my bars are going to be cut, but right now I'm just going to measure with my finger. That way my bars are at least going to be somewhat even. Alright, well we're back 24 hours later to cut the soap. I think it turned out pretty cute. For what I'm envisioning for the decorations to be is some glitter pouring out of the fairy wand. And then as the glitter hits the ground, a beautiful garden of rainbow flowers grows. Now, to make the fairy dust come out of the wand, I'm going to coat the soap with a small thin layer of soap batter, and then I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on the top. That way the glitter will stay where I want it to stay. it's time for the fairy to come out of hiding. Now the stencil I used is a face painting stencil, and I'm just going to slowly put some blue soap batter over her. And of course, she needs some glitter too. Like I said, this soap's going to be covered in glitter. Now, my 10-year-old daughter asked, "Why'd you make the fairies blue, Mommy?" And I thought about this and what color to make her, and I decided since fairies want to stay hidden, I made her blue to be kind of camouflaged into the sky. Now for the rainbow flowers, I'm doing a drop flower with an assortment of different size open star piping tips. The green leaves are made with a Wilton leaf tip 352. These drop flowers kind of remind me of like pom-pom balls. Now, if you guys like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook, so you can check me out there. I'll leave a link below. And I'm on Instagram. And if you guys ever want to purchase one of my soaps or take a look and see what other ones I've created, you can check me out on Etsy. All the links will be left below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.